Now comes the cut. I'm losing my mind. Today is the day I cut a hole in the roof of the van. I got the Max Air fan ready to go, and it's going right up there. Got the jigsaw, obviously the fan. I have my butyl tape. I have more of this clean metal primer to seal it up. When I have that edge cut, I have my blades that are made for cutting through metal. New set of drill bits here. Ladder to get on the roof. Oh, and my tape. This is important as well. This fan came with this like sheet of cardboard, which I just cut out a 14 by 14 square where you find the center. And now I'm gonna put this up here, mark the center, and drill my first pilot hole. So that's step one. Welcome to the roof of the van. First time I've been up here. So we found our hole, and then let's line that up. Now we'll trace around our template. Once you find the complete center of that. Got everything moved up here. This is everything we need. Gonna measure again. Cannot have too many measurements. We're about to do our first holes here. I got the garbage bags halfway taped down, and so it should be protect the roof from the shavings. I taped a box up here to catch any of the metal shavings that are gonna come when I start cutting through this. So we're gonna drill some pilot holes in the corners, and then we'll add bigger bits as we go. All right, I got my first holes drilled. So scary. All right, we got our 4 pilot holes. Now comes the cut. I'm losing my mind. I didn't think this would stress me out this much, but it'll be fine. And I just want you all to know, if I can do this, you got this. All right, we're going for it. We have a hole. The next thing is you want to make sure this will fit in there, which thankfully it does. Clean up all the metal shards. So I was able to find a bit of vacuum and just get all the metal shards off of the roof. And then the next thing is to hit the exposed edges with some of this stuff again, this primer, so that you have no exposed metal, so you're protecting it. So that's what we're gonna do now. I got the butyl tape on here, and basically you want to make sure that these metal pieces are on the driver and passenger side. So on the sides, not the front and the back. That's where you'll screw your fan into. And what I'm going to do is I made these furring strips, and then I'm going to clamp them up, and that'll give me a place to actually like drill down into. So all of the holes have been drilled and the screws are all in. And now I'm going to use this die-core lap sealant. So they're all pretty tight, and now I'm going to just lap seal around the edges and the screws. Fan is done. What a trip, what a time. One thing too is make sure you let this cable fall down. You don't want to get it all sealed in there, and we're good now. So I'll do a separate video about the wiring, get it all wired up and everything. It came with a remote. There's like the remote and everything. We'll get into that later. What other takeaways do I want to say? Measure more than you think. I did this pretty much solo. I had my roommate help me at the end line these screws up. I had to kind of, like I said, I kind of had to extend out the plastic a little bit by just drilling a little bit bigger hole take those little metal clips off and then drill a little bit bigger hole up, because it was like you had to push the fan down to line, the holes were not lining up. So, and I had already finished putting that all on, so it's in, the fan's done. I don't know why I'm standing on a ladder still. I'm tired. Next up, we'll do some insulation. If you're enjoying this build series, give me a like, sub for more videos like this, and then heading out on the road after the build. Appreciate all you guys that have been keeping up with the build. And to those new people, welcome, and I hope you are enjoying. My brain is fried. If I look tired, it's because I am. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.